Gonna play our hardest.
There's Buffaloes. IMP League is comprised of 2 teams and my good friend CJ against Mateo and Phoenix. And those 2 jabronis, they don't know what's coming to them. And I was a star of my team, and I'm going to be bringing that.
Got nothing left to prove. Your threats I find absurd. I am your hell.
We are going to smash them. We're going to smash their 2 balls like no tomorrow.
Dominant for years.
Every time you think that you've got me, I will fight you. And I will put you in the ground. I will fight till there's nothing left.
Now I got a move for Phoenix, and it's called the spin cycle. And I got a move for Mateo, and it's called the slam dunk. Just you guys wait. You guys will be terrified of our
It's
move.
gonna blow right through her right now.
Fear me.
And you won't see nothing left.
Every time
Best. Like teamed up with the best.
Film for days and days. We know their weaknesses. We know what to do against them. Right, Zoe? Can you say anything against that?
Yeah.
Yes? We do know what they're gonna do?
Yeah.
Are we gonna win?
Yeah.
Exactly.
now I'll put you in the ground.
It's gonna be the real deal.
I will fight till
We lost, and it sucked.
my legs are gone. You won't forget me. Every time you think I'm done, I'll come back
We're gonna kick some
stronger.
ass, take some name.
Every time you think that you got me, I will fight you. Every time you think that I'm done, I'll come back stronger. And every time you think that
And I got 2 words for you. Blizzard Buffalo!
Buffalo!